Today we are discuss about what is a HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. In the Hypertext Transfer Protocol, first we have to know about what is a HTTP and what is a feature of HTTP and HTTP transaction and how HTTP should be message will be sent and received, and what is a uniform resource locator with the help of what is the use of HTTP. First one is what is a HTTP. HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. It is a protocol used to access the data on the World Wide Web (WWW), and the HTTP protocol can be used to transfer the data in the form of plain text, hypertext, audio and video, and this protocol is also known as a Hypertext Transfer Protocol because it is efficiency that allows use to a hypertext environment whether they are the rapid jump from one document to another document. FTTP is a similar to the FTTP as it also transfer the file from the one host to another host, but HTTP is a similar than FTTP as HTTP use only one connection, that is no control connection to transfer the files. HTTP is used to carry the data in the form of MIME like format. HTTP is a similar to simple mail transfer protocol as a data is transferred between the client and the server in the way client and server. The HTTP Hypertext Transfer Protocol differ from the SMTP in the way of messages are sent from the client to server and from server to client. The SMTP message are stored and forwarded while HTTP message are delivered immediately. Features of HTTP. First one is what is a connectionless protocol. The connectionless protocol means HTTP is a connectionless protocol. HTTP client initiate a request and wait for a response from the server. When the server receives the request, the server processes the request and send back to response to the HTTP client, after which client disconnect the connection. The connection between the client and server exit only during the current request and response time only. And second one is media independent. What is a media independent? HTTP protocol is a media independent as a data can be sent along with both the client and server. Now how to handle the data content? It is required for both the client and server to specify the connection type in the MIME type header. Third one is stateless. HTTP is a stateless protocol as both the client and the server know each other only during the current request. Due to this nature of the protocol, both client and server do not retain the information between the various requests of the web pages. Here the HTTP transaction. The figure shows the HTTP transaction between the client and the server. The client initiates the transaction by sending a request message to the server. The server replies the request message by sending a response of message. This is a transmission of FTTP. What is HTTP message? HTTP message are the two types, request and response. Request and response, there is a two types of HTTP message. Both message types follow the same message format. First one is request. In a request message, the required message is sent to the client that consists of the requested line, headers and some body of this function. Here body present only in the message. And second one is response message. This response message is sent by the server to the client. They consist of a status line, headers, sometime a body. It is a use of SSTP. Message will be sent and receive the request and response method. What is a URL? Uniform Resource Locator. A client that wants to access the document in an internet needs an address and to facilitate the access of the document. The HTTP Hypertext Transfer Protocol use the concept of Uniform Resource Locator URL. The Uniform Resource Locator URL is standard way of specifying any kind of information on the net. The URL defines the four parts. One is method, second one is host, third one is port, fourth one is path. What is a method? The method is a protocol used to retrieve the document from the server. It is used to retrieve the document from the server. For example, HTTP Hypertext Transfer Protocol, and second one is host. The host is a computer where the information is stored and the computer is given an alias name. Web pages are mainly stored in a computer and the computer are given in a alias name that begin with the character www, World Wide Web. The field is not mandatory. And third one is port. The URL Uniform Resource Locator can also contain the port number of the server, but it is not an optional field. If the port number is included, then it must come between the host and the path, and it should be separated from the host by a colon. And the fourth one is path. Path is a path name of the file where the information is stored. The path itself contains the slash that separate the directory from the subdirectory and files. With the help of URL, for example, if you are going to real-time example, if you are going to visit Facebook, then we have to be give www.facebook.com like that. Otherwise, if you are going to YouTube, www.http Hypertext Transfer Protocol. After that, we are giving that particular name, youtube.com. Otherwise, google.com. Each and everything it should be separated. What is a method? Method should be get method or put method. Host will be either for local host or by using a, suppose if you are using a web locally we have running, means we have to be using WAMP server. With the help of local host we have to be running local only. That we have to be given some port number assigned and path. Each and path means the file wherever this location file is there, whatever request will be claimed will be needed, it goes to concerned file. It should be downloaded or uploaded. It will be show. If it is there, that file will be show. Otherwise, the page cannot be displayed. This is a use of HTTP. Thank you.